Today I'm going to show you the result of our car backward parking using fuzzy logic.
So first of all, we have the front panel. One thing that you need to do to run this VI is to first run it. After you click run it, you can just adjust the position of the car. Just click and drag everywhere you want, or you can just manually key in the X value and the Y value. After that, you can adjust the angle of the car using this meter, or simply key in the angle you want the car to face. Then after you're done with your initial position, you have to click this button, activate fuzzy controller first, then a start button. These two buttons must be pressed in order for the VI fuzzy logic to run.
I'm going to show you the starting point and the end point for our car movement. So this is the starting point, as you can see from the tape, and the black tape indicates the end point. Okay, so as you can see from the right, which is in the real time, the car is following exactly the movement from the front panel on the left. This is through the use of fuzzy logic, and it will arrive. So that is all from us. Thank you for watching.